All right, the format section. So under formatting, you have various formatting tools: bold, italic, underline, strike through, and so on. You can do increasing font size or decreasing font size, capitalization. You can turn it to all uppercase, or do title case. And that is, so for example, if we highlight the word format, we can do any of these formats. So we can bold it. We can increase the font size. Now, all those buttons are duplicated in here. So, for example, you can change it to lobster font type, or make it a 48. If you wanted a 47, you can custom do that, italicize. Now, capitalization. We want to force it all into format uppercase, or if we want to bring it down into all lowercase. If we want to back up, we can use that undo button and bring it back to normal. Paragraph styles. You can do all sorts of paragraph styles. Headings. You can apply those headings. You can use default styles. You can create your own styles of subtitles and so on. That's all in your paragraph styles. So align and in, that's all. You've got your indentation options. So you can set your indents. Do you want to set your hanging indents, first line indents? All of that's available. I do get a lot of questions on indentation, so you can create those. A lot of that is duplicated right here in terms of center, right align, justify, left align. You can check your line spacing, single. This is currently at 1.05. You can do custom spacing if you want. That is all duplicated here. If you want to add space before or after list items. Columns, you can do 2 columns. So if you want to have 2 columns, you can create that format. So for example, I'm just going to go down here and format this to have 2 columns. And now there is a separate column for me to work with. Back that up. Bullets and numbering. You have various list options. You can do a restart of numbering, more bullets, more fixes, bullet lists, numbered lists. One thing I find is when I am trying to go to that next number, next letter, break the formatting. If you press enter, it stays within that first set of formatting. You press enter again, it backs up 1 step to the lettered formatting. Press it again, now we're in the numbered formatting. Press enter again, we're out of the formatting, and it keeps that retained. So if I wanted to put a title here, I could. And that's just using the enter button. Lets you stay within the context of your formatting. Other stuff, if you want to format headers and footers, like you can go in there and set different areas, settings for your headers and footers. If you have a table, you can format the table. Most people like to right-click and format the table properties. So if you want the table alignment to be right aligned with cell background color of light blue, be right there. Or if you want table with your red, that's at 3-point font. It's up to you. Now, if you want to clear formatting, that takes care of the formatting, but it doesn't take care of the table properties. But a table property have to be reset. manually, because the table is a little bit different than the. So formatting is not properties. So if you want it back to black with more of a traditional like half point font, that's how you could do that. And like I said, most of these formats are also duplicated somewhere in the toolbar, whether it be the highlighter, whether it be the centers, whether it be adding in or inserting. You have all of these options, bullets and numbers, increasing or decreasing indents, all here in the menu toolbar. So that should be what the options are in the formatting